Yep, this is Karsten here. I would like to show you version 2.91. Yes, it's getting a bit complicated with all these numbers there, but it's because 2.9 is big, so we decided to release it in several releases. So I'm actually showing you it right here just before we launch on our dev side. So what you should be able to see that's new, well, depending on how long ago it's been that you tested the tool, this has been redesigned and made easier, and you can easily now actually navigate you and your competitors to easily click on these and see the keywords behind the Morningscore. A lot of people actually didn't know we had this functionality because we were hiding it a bit. Another new cool thing is that you can now hover these and you can see if you have some of these as tracked keywords, as it shows here. The T means track keyword. Also, if you have a keyword as a mission, I don't have it here, but then it will show an M icon as well. So that way you can really easily see what you have actually added as tracked. And you can also click and copy a keyword from here if you want to, let's say, go and track that keyword that you just found. Let's go to keywords. And as you can see, I can just input the one that I just copied. Pretty simple stuff. So let's look at something else. The keyword rank tracker, a small, but behind the scenes, it took a bit of engineering. A small thing is that you can now hover the rank here and you can see exactly a bit more clearly what has happened. Of course, here you can see it went up 6 ranks from this date. That's the easy part. That's the simple part. But what you can also see now is the exact hour and minutes when we actually last scanned this keyword. So you can verify when we have scanned the keywords, which we do every day. Yes. We also had a few more filters built, and there are even more filters coming out very soon. So that's really cool, where you can sort the keywords in many different ways. Yes, so that's kind of that. And yeah, maybe one thing you're not going to notice, but actually a lot of work has been going on behind the scenes as well. We have a new calendar. Why? Well, the old one was a bit odd and it was hard to navigate. This one is simple and you can just click, and there are more options here to choose from. Yeah, and let's just put it back to the last 30 days. And it's faster. It's just makes the whole system faster. So a big thing that changed is the Linkscore. You used to see something called link rank here, which we don't use anymore for several reasons. I made a blog post about it. But anyway, this is our own new metric. We even explain how we calculate it. For those of you who want to see how we do that, I'm going to show you later. But this is way more reactive, a really cool score for how well you're doing on links. Why? Well, because actually the link score that you saw and the Morningscore are somehow correlated. And that's actually an achievement, because that means that when you build links and you build the right amount of links, the link score will increase. And over time, your Morningscore will also increase. So they have like a relationship, which I think is a great achievement from the engineering team, because we managed to figure out how we can calculate the worth of your links so that it correlates to the value of your SEO. So this link score is super cool. And as you can see, we have some big competitors and they have a higher link score than us. And guess what? When we go up and look here in the graph, yes, they also have a higher morning score than us. So there's a correlation here. Yes, so that is a really great new metric that you can use to compare with your competitors to see who has the highest link score, and you can work hard to improve it. And we have made a new guide here where we explain what the link score is and how to improve it and so on. We made a little graph here so you can see what is a good and what is a bad link score. That's pretty cool. But I'll show you later what else you can do to learn more about it. So, and obviously that has also translated to the missions, where you can now do link score missions and read more about that as well. So yeah, that was the link score. Last thing I want to show you is the page score. Oh, this looks good. I mean, all these pages have a score of 100. Let me show you what it actually is in a second. I'll just grab a few here. Oh, this one has one of an 87. So let me just take that for you. It's a German page, I see. When I hovered, you can actually see what it is. We check every page on your site now based on like all the basic stuff that you need to have sorted out to actually rank, and just the basics that you need to have in order. So we collected them all in a single score we call the page score, and we think it's going to give you a very good overview, since you can filter and easily see here which pages have a really bad link score and which ones have a really great link score, and you can then work on the pages that you think deserve a better page score, and that you believe could rank for keywords, because that obviously makes them gives them a better chance if they have a better page score. It will also go into the general area here where you can see if you have a low page score on your pages. It will also become a general check here, so you can yeah, you will find it there very soon. Yes. Yeah. Well, in a well, there's been a lot of small things going on, and we're really working hard on the data as well, and making it easy to see changes, and we're working really hard to get the data as good as they can get and get them even more precise. So there's been a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and you'll see a lot more coming very soon. So yeah, this was 291, and I hope you liked the new features. So see you in the tool, Captain.